Good day to all employers. I am Jovelyn Mateo, 30 years old, from Bustos, Bulacan, Philippines. I have live-in partner. His name is Derwin Escal, a mom of a 4-month-old baby girl, bachelor degree of business administration, major in management. My height is 167 centimeter and my weight is 63 kilograms. I am the third among 4 siblings. I love cooking and playing with kids. I experienced taking care of a 3-year-old girl year 2014 to 2016 while in my second year college. Taking care of her at night is my only duty because her parent working night shift. I need to support my studies, so I work at night taking care a child. I also do the household chores, cooking, ironing, do the laundry when my school schedule is free. After I graduated college year 2016, I work at Mercury Drug Corporation as a pharmacy assistant until year 2022. So I have a lot of knowledge about medicines. I know how to taking care a sick person, especially kids. When they have cough, fever, diarrhea while vomiting, headache, stomach ache, I know what medicines they need as first aid. So now I want to work in Hong Kong to earn money to support my child and my family's needs. Before I end this video, I want to sing a song, If You're Happy and You Know It. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know and you really want to show, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray, hooray. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray, hooray. If you're happy and you know and you really want to show, if you're happy and you know it, shout hooray, hooray. Thank you, and I hope you like it. I am hoping to work with you, ma'am and sir. I assure you that I am trustworthy and hardworking, willing to learn new things. Thank you so much.